purpose po ng ating Bible School ay makapag-raise up po ng mga manggagawa na equip na mag-evangelize, equip mag-disciple, mag-mission as well as church planting. Lalo nila maunawaan ng simbahan, what is the body of Christ, ano ang function nito, spiritual gifts nila. Pag-aaralan din yung area ng management, paano ba nila ma-manage ang kanilang sarili nang sa ganon, ma-manage nila ang ministry, may pinagkatiwala ng Panginoon. Hermeneutics as well as homiletics na kung saan ma-equip sila sa area ng pagtuturo. That the growth of the church depends upon the training and preparedness of our workers. And I believe that statement with all my heart. So, church members, I appeal to you. Draw now and help us fulfill the calling of God in our church.